This video demonstrates how to replace the dump valve gasket on your Vacutech debris separator. Before servicing your equipment, turn your system completely off. Always follow proper lockout-tagout procedures. Use the appropriate gasket kit for your 8-inch or 4-inch dump valve. To complete this task, you will need the following items. Open the dump valve by pulling down the pin and swinging open the lid. Remove the nut and pull the washers and gasket off the bolt. Clean the dump valve lid thoroughly. Clean off the disc, making sure there is no debris. Press the gasket onto the bolt, then put the disc and washers back on. Fender washer first, then lock washer and nut. Tighten firmly into place. Make sure the lid closes tightly with no gaps. Turn the system on and check for any leaks around the gasket. If you have any questions about your Vacutech system, please visit www.vacutechllc.com or call 1-800-917-9444.